Please subscribe, like, and share.
Emranti ebinso asore se we mette the tew na ka se ka de command na Monday ni efi next week ko na daji ni ho ye de ohini biti a ye twa ndadada abeduru Ghana letters wo ho ye be mo evidence aha ye be kire wade producer de begu so ye be kan one after the other ye twa de ti ena abrofo no tam papa de tin de koye fresh. That time, no, so many years ago. Almost all the idea before the tin who said ever tinning promptum go one the kuna a won it tinum adrenim. Tom ko no mu yi ni tinum adreno. Omo the tikwan krana brain or Ghana ha. It's any bedroom ya no. Akodi aban ho. Aban so si trade me release it da. Say.
Some cranny person.
O say somebody be why you can. Who are you my own na? It's 70 it's 70 grand ya ampa. Producer, roll on. Fankrata no go so ne to so say pamre akan.
This was Monday.
David abi ya tin tell free. Monday any other day.
Monday.
If Monday quarter they after they start morning show for 2022.
After first anniversary.
Etino says etikwan kura na be cafe krum ha. Aban release or been release. Ebusafo se ye gietre, o so si tre nya de a. Enti krata akọ na krata aba. Na ye twitiri kwankura ho manso.
Anti wo mu gietre na ho eden. Ebusafo le jabo.
Say so musie.
Say so musie. Eyo mo dia.
Oyo hene. Ye twanti akọ abrochire. Etre na kodi over 100 years. Na afa de tre na sa ba du Ghana.
Afro me ye.
Abrofo na ntime nya de papa bi amfa mre, o mu de ti kwankura.
Ena bae.
Ena bra ye.
Adwene ne de omo yie de.
Adwene de ye yitre ye free trading. Eti pacho roll on.
Ghana.
Ana da on first letter no. We ye anona akade royal family. Mo fam phone tuntum no mram. Wa mo letter na da hoyi. Ye throw letter we 23rd July 2021. To Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. And yetro krata de mano ti ma menyere me ho ana men kan krata na ma on da TV ni so no mo radio no said e be ya mo beti bi enti no me yere me twadiem na metimi akan e de amaw enti no ye kan kono na wo so no ye kan na radio for nate ye wi a say ye be chama guest no first one ya me be kan de asantoa de be kotwi second one also de be kotwi cause enkrata no wonyame anim edoso pa wonyame anim no krata no edoso pa e be wi sa story no say ya na fe yetimi abo papers ne so tinu na betwene na bakon tem na ye ko eti nananom no the watch and say, we, the above named family, is requesting an order from His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, ordering the Commander 37 Military Hospital, Head of Pathology Department, to release the severed head of our great-grandfather by name Otumfour Badu Bonsoe the second, a.k.a. Asonkai, who reigned as Ahantahene in the Dutch Ahanta over the Ahanta state in the latter part of the 17th century. So this is in the 18th war. 1838. On July 25, 1838, Otumfour Badu Bonsoe the second Ahantahene was publicly hanged at Butre. His head was removed, placed, my chemistry no, okay. GH boy, what can I say? Akwaya drenye. 13 of his elders were sent into exile to Dutch West Indies to work on coffee plantation. On 20th August 1838, 5 of his relatives were hanged at Elmina. After over 170 years, Otumfour Bonsoe's severed head was brought back into Ghana in 2009. After his demise, we, his family, did not get the opportunity to organize his funeral rites and his burial because the Dutch kept his body away from the reach of the family. Your Excellency, this request is obviously captured in our traditional law that when a person dies, his body becomes the property of his family. Therefore, we reserve the singular right to claim possession of the head in order to organize his final funeral rites, his burial, and to elect a fitting successor to replace him. Badja.
One after the other.
Formaldehyde no ewo
I say.
Chemical debia 1838 kwai tumi hu se formaldehyde ne de fa ade ho to ho a e look fresh a ko sita ma yen pese ye be say ade no.
Oh really?
Ti ye de no e de atum de amount.
Na abusuafo so mu bisa no won hye so. Ye so mo propro mampani o.
To add to that, it will interest you to note that ever since our great-grandfather's severed head was brought from Holland, we, the Nana Akade royal family of Bonsoe Ahanta, has been traveling down to 37 military hospital in Accra, severally to visit him. The head of pathology department of the 37 military hospital can attest to this assertion. This is because he is one of our own. Attached are photographs of Otumfour Badu Bonsoe, his family members, and his elders. We'll show you those pictures, don't worry. The Nana Akade royal family is made up of 10 Ebusuampanimfour elders into brackets. And over 1,000 members, home and abroad, have decided that it is time to send requests to His Excellency the President, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, to order the commander of 37 Military Hospital to release the head of Otumfour Badu Bonsoe II to his family. We count on your cooperation. Thank you, Your Excellency. Yours faithfully, Sean Paul Bright, Family Secretary.
General Patrol, Mammy Miss Alha. You know, etire no, o se be di mampani ho no
About 2009.
2009.
10, 11, 19, 10 years.
10 years.
And another 3 years.
Until 21, 13 years. 37 military hospital. What's the idea? Say our 37 for no.
37 for no dey keep.
No.
Jejena letter na wo kan ne tintini titi ani na say. Ebusua omo eye ahanta. Eye Nana Akade ana
Adishibusi.
Wo mo say. Eye the 17th century 1838 no. Wo mo nana na oyo hine oteso no.
Oya ahanta
mahene. Dutch aborofo no eyi ni ti.
Onya hanta mahine oya hanta hine.
Ahanta hine. Yes.
Omo
edile.
Kuno by hanging.
And say chanti.
No mu yi ni ti free so. And omo di tiri no ko. So scientific word na ye bi. Na omo di ade bi fan ho. Intinity no still na aba fresh. And omo di call amanone. Now, in fear bebre achi no. That was 2009.
After 170 years.
After 170 years, no more Esamba Ghana. But there were a year 37. Ayarasabia. Inti abusuafo ne se omo nana no e wo mamrem Ghana mamre ne amani mu no. Se wo bi di she firi mu a e wo yo hene a e wo se abusua no eja no kwan kama. Wo mu nya search opportunity ni na ne se abrofo no emu no omo di say omo ama omo nsanka enti emre na so se so omo te say eti na bedu nko ade a omo elso munya na omo kọ kata na chi na omo eja no eye na de hye
yetimi sie
esie ne kama
yesi na nai
yes na de etwa omu ni se efiti da omo te se eti na bedu no abusuafo ache bia na watwe mienu atem bia no anasa emre kakra bia no omu free ahantamem eba 37 ebesra omo enana no but we
omo
etire no ebesra na se hia omo nti omo toto asra o mampani se emre ni onfa oshekiti ento ayaresa via 37 for no mpani for so say etire no release that.
All right, papa bi oye archaeologist papa no oye archaeologist a friend Costin Mass or say sa body na ye di say and still body in the Holland for or say sa body no e da Holland aban ho to say omo di tire na bagana de ya
omo fa body
nka ho
simple as that
na Ghana aban demand ni tire ni mu adwe na omo yiye no omo san fa adwe ni mra
good
cause the entire Costin Mass say omo timi yi adwe ni fi tire ni na afi na omo di ti kwankura na aba no 2009 no Ghana for demand adekodo potin pa na wo papa no na dream awo makoyi. Okay, yeah, for office of the president response into so.
Oh nice.
Them. It's a young kind. And a down. I am directed to acknowledge receipt of your letter number AARF/REQ/VOL. That is a volume. Yeah. 101. Dated 18 January 2022. Yeah. On the above mentioned subject, and to inform you that consultations are ongoing, and the family will soon be invited for the meeting. Thanks and accept the compliment of the Honorable Chief of Staff. Rating for and on behalf of the Chief of Staff, H.M. Wood, Chief Director for the Chief of Staff. And a year, the Family Secretary, Anona Akade, Royal Family of Owulu, Suwa, Ebusia, Ahanta, P.O. Box MC 089 Takrade. Another letter, so.
General, letter win. Letter win, Mr. Women, church letter win. My many abre, they trace some the event agro. They tell say on the 18th of January 2022, and a young man penny at night. And I yes, I'm going to aha, almost so a troll crat and bass say, I don't know Bushian crat and on the buy no more moments or moon saka. Enti wamuni penfo adi nkete ne nkomo se enche kra wombeto nsa from no maba no madi nkomo na ekwan fa so tire ne be enwe na ne mo chelsea so people say krata na omode ma omampani aso ye no womu nsa som eno ya acknowledge no aha
tenche be from for
meeting yes na omode
edwani na apeja be ye man be ka be twen no
yeah
man be twen
cheche mu de mecheche etire ho asem ne
krata foforo so ba. And also, 1st February 2022. And also, the Honorable Minister, Ministry of Defense, Accra, attention, Chief Director. And there was so, Ofane, put up there. Na, aja, yankai, and also, ti, etreno wasam na say, abaye manson. It's in Akodi Holland, 170 years. 170 years. Na bidru. Let na make one something that hono. Make I wish to refer to this ministry's letter number SCR/TA236/23901 dated 2nd September 2021 and its attachment addressed to the Honorable Minister for Defense concerning the above mentioned subject matter. Copy attached for ease of reference. The letter and the reference requested your esteemed office for the release of the severed head of Otumfour Badu Bonsoe II, a.k.a. Asunkai, the great-grandfather of the Anona Akade royal family, in order to organize his burial and final rites as customarily demands. The royal family has resubmitted a letter dated 11th November 2021. As a reminder, regarding the same appeal of which we are requesting your office to respectfully take necessary action. Please treat as urgent and appraise the ministry of action taking on the matter which keeps reoccurring. Counting on your usual cooperation. Thank you. Adelaide Ano Kumi, Mrs. Chief Director for the Ministry for Interior. Yeah. Now, Okope, the Minister, Honorable Deputy Minister Nina, and Afe Anona Ebushano Omo Secretary. Apeja.
Over to you, Joe Lati.
Yeah, sure.
Almost have a letter into so. The part of a letter is letter number 3. Me huni na the ten say we so yen kaibo yen kai say letters na di akoto si dada nti we no mo sense so say papa na ti na mo request ye no omo sign campaign for say e was wo modern say anamo ma sha so mutu so mo di train beba na o maye ho amanne ne amamre no emra so say empenfo ensan entu anamo e wo so medical chire letter ba kra kinkan no mu ni say o mutu anamo but we no e man penfo ahu say krata ne bia di nkan akọ but yen kaibo mpenfo so bu baby say aboso ba na major pai nti o mo mpenfo ahu say letter na o de ba de dika no ehu hia o mo san kai mpenfo say mpo say e refri aba o mo keka o mo ho o mo modin e na o mo di twa ato say o mo jo mo di pa say de bi o mo de krata aba o ma so o mo di tum no usual corporation ni twi no no ti de bia o mo ba o mo di tum to so o mo san kai mo say o mo ebetu wana mo e na o copy defense ministry no say o mo so mo modin o mo ma na bibia nkoso e na secretary no so die ne she nti che say o mo gusu di train ho nkom.
Yenfa no so enwada ho na yenhwe the next letter. Eno no regional minister sa na shase. Na yenkan eno Honorable Kwabena Ochreda Kumensa MP. Osaso ye regional minister. Ono nsa na se sakrata no ase. Na miwia na peja aye justice fine. Ede ama katum mayenko ni na pimpim bae no omo de krata no kosom regional minister no no so bo akire fine e bankran. I respectfully forward here with a self-explanatory petition dated 13 September 2021 from the Anona Akade royal family of Owulu Suwa routed through the office of the regional minister on the above subject matter, copy attached for ease of reference. I submit for further action, please. Signed, Honorable Kwabena Ochreda Kumensa MP, who is the regional minister for Western Region, to the office of the President of the Republic of Ghana, Jubilee House, Accra. Attention, Secretary to the President, and copy to the Defense Minister and the Secretary of the Family.
The way ne say asam ba na busu afọ coach no mabotire no mkobo regional minister mane Honorable Ochreda ko ono nso so ye MP eno mo kan say wo mo na neti aba a che do mo eye peni wo masase so ogina mu mo mampeni yi de e so mo de tu nanim ayen so mo mpeni fu bone eno nti wo mo de ko tu nanim so ono so ntro enkokan aban ni mpeni fo so mo matire ne beduru wo mo nsa ne say na aba ena minister so ye ne ntempa na otro krata tintintintin no de koma o mampeni atena ye defense ministry any mpenfo e sefa house letter na copy wo nyina no obomodin e de kokoma mti honorable minister osanso ye regional osanso ye MP no ompen abujafo governor na wantena ase onso depends people so trust e brofo woni mu.
All right, obi send a message bi ye mfa nipa ni dim ma but the message no ye de beto so ama but answer na no mekan abeg we are in our homeland but we are slaves here. Is the government now doing research on the skull or what? That they can give it to the family to be buried. Abba. And me, from history I had, it's one of the family members who saw it in one of the tourist sites in Holland. It's a family members that back who who tikwankreno. Ewo tourist site bi. Ewo Holland. No years to train the ba ho. Na etire no ebeduru Ghana. Etire no abesig enkran ha from 2009. Ya de etire ye den. Ebia na aban ne Holland aban Dutch aban di guta ho. Enipa dodo akohwetire di sika omaje ho na so omde ye de ebre.
Ampa. And they are not correct.
170 years.
170 years.
Would they be a one city cry?
It's every year be 1 million euros.
And also.
And see, message na buy no na ewo ho na wo hwe na me kan ma wo no. Timi da so betime yi. It's 170 years no. Wo de afibia 1 million euros.
170
na
euros. Say,
is go.
Womo ade amayen. Mejiri se enche aban no bema ya hudi ekoso ewotire ne ho.
Sure.
Na si tire na ka.
Ni ho a.
O say.
Ehwi ni ho a. Menya sure say nka letters be di akone abasa. Enti bibi wo ho. Bi aban no nim a yeye nim, abusua no so kura nim. Aha. Ko etire de. Hwe nka ho de. Menya sure say letters be na wo ho. Bedi akwane aba bra mu aye bia ma enti bia na aban ni nim bibia ye nim ana bi kura na de captain ken so kura bia na ye noa bia na aban pese obisa dat aban ne say etire na ade ko ye na investment ade ko ye no fa so nya ne bia so be pode ye de kakra wo enti ye hwe let's see how
General say Koban is adia say during the colonization period no enye tire ba ko pe na de ko yo ana enti se Koban is say ahanta ebusuan penifo ni tu ana mo se benye tira hodo na omo na de ni di muntintima na de a e was aban di ni nsi form na say etira hodo e ko ye ko hwe history ni na baby ko de ko ye tu ana mo na e ko jiba ana me ya ye yes enti se Koban say enei ebusuan we no mu di ni de ano na ebusuan mo ahanta memu demand for omo na that is 170 years back na so mu demand dia in history kakra yenzo ye ahemfo ni mpenifo akukuda ma na omuguta tumi ahodo omudi Ghana titi old Ghana empire n'anim a omo history ma yehu so ye chi bi ye nkomom ye wia bi nso de koye no e was ye demand na yi wo ho a ye de ba na ye boa na ye jai say ye ntim de se tire we abedu etira ahodo ho
kasa te sa asenye Ghana na ate
etira ahodo
ye nti he ya na captain ye ku Ghana for is it Gambia ho asem esisen sika na e ka ho kra na wo de amba na ehye ho na me ye nka ho asem na de akwa ye nim na bia
wo me can say this etire will pave way for more etires
bra wo de me nka de wo ho yi ho asem
ka ti afa se etire ka ye no
omo busuafo ya wa dom ko hwe mra what ya se ba we de 37 ya me nka no ho asem Ghana na ate no
me pese General en correct me wo ade we hu ohini bi fi mu a se se na we die wo mu ye ni
Ye sie na wontimi nsi na na
enti bepem ne no omu nya wo hini bia wo ho no ma na asese
so omu first letter ni mu na ye kan no omu si so
se be yo meti
enti still omu nya
I think so
hey
enye
Corona dampa 100 and something
omu benya caretaker but ebia mamre na amane kwan so a aha ohini be suaye no ebia na omu ntimi nyeye enti I think say we dey say tire na ba omu fama
no munya kwan si he
I don't
but to add up no dey say impenifo no ewo etire no ho a me dey ka abusua no omo gi amomu nkosie
won fanya de
General abusua no gi amomu nkosie because per dey nkomo ayedi omo dey kwakosi tourist site and omo indicate bibia so ohinpon we na ohin wo Ghana kuro we na ogba adwuma pa adwen na de ntim na ya adwen sonko man nkofo go tu ho na mo tuezika ko nti se ye ne de bedu kuro mo na abusuafo no sa kanka me de me susu say gide e beja mom but so mbesi ndi
baby yeah kwa BBC de omo tro ye efa ohini ni tiri ni ho time omo de etiri no eba Ghana
29
obi a send a message say aya yenye information free hin
de wa som de asem
BBC tro sa de no ewo 2009 20th March 2009 it was a Friday your copy tia de betuma ma fine pa na aja ya be kan ma na etire we no asem wo ho opening costume mass na me catch us or archaeologist no or say research on my year about Adam was the Garden of Eden na me catch the Garden of Eden was so say was asiso okay and it say sa ohine no he looks exactly like the first Adam. I feel like maybe I grow on it. That ohine no or to say Adam na nyame born first no. Even though or refusee say penny na slave trade enkoso I want important tin ye twanity. Na emo no research atrese papa no wo pa Adam na nyame ankasa di kan de ndote e born na one ne pepepe. No ye born no mas na wo ho.
Me kan baby say why no onim sa Adam na otimi hu say ni photocopy ni.
Entino yeah, one crofobia omo Bible researchers, archaeologists na one jinyamindi, no mo ye atheist. Omo abeji nyame di. The Baptist group. Our description of Adam. Said ye one word suemu no. Said ye Adam sitie description nyame de ma Adam wo Bible mu no. Womo de ton so womo so abe confirm say ane.
No hene.
Sa hene no or say Adam.
Into we captain is it by face or ninim dia na owo.
Yanko kan BBC ade no mra.
Okay.
Yanko. March 2009. Dutch return Ghana King's head. Dutch to return Ghana King's head. The head of a Ghanaian king executed by Dutch colonists in the 1830s is to be returned to its homeland for burial, say authorities in the Netherlands. Badu Bonsoe, the second leader of the Ahanta group, is believed to have been decapitated in retaliation for the killing of 2 Dutch emissaries. Now, the Leiding Museum, which has been storing the head, said it hoped it could now have a dignified burial. Ghana had said the king would not be at rest if the head remained where it was. King Bonsoe is thought to have been executed after the 2 officials were killed during a rebellion against European rule in the country, hanging their heads on his throne as a trophy. Wow. BBC Netrosa story on the 20th of March 2009. What a breaking story, no? Say, enche, dacha aban say, or the Nana Otumfour Badu Bonsoe the second. Nitino ebeba. Asabri na say, yeah, dacha brofum you be kwaya gogwa ho. Omgodi man ti esem ho. Ochi wa no ma yetwa omuti fine, no de omuti kwankra no bro nitino. Esensen na konwa no ho. Say a trophy. To ye bro ni na aba na obejimi na wa point a tro say hwe uni ati. Na ye nkwase ade wa ha. In the slave trade history, no, a hunter ho area hodi na no, abrofo na ntimi yanko ho biemu. Cause so kwa, usro se Bonsoe betwati. No, twa oti ya na watam body no de yakoto ponin fine. Na ho ntimi ato. Aha.
Ayo hini ya ni ti abai.
Eti wa mo so tete na.
Akatua na.
Ana wa mo so eso no mu se kika. Okay. Ana omode nitire no ekoye afei hwohene niti obi o ha bia competitive ahwe aha ye onua o Wasa.
Etire na ye kan wasa.
Etire na ye kan wasa.
Baby.
Oh, me be tire utire no.
Etire no.
Ni adwin nam na se tifufu.
Etire na nkasa time na ekoye no.
Okay. And you bet me.
Time no mutwa na moja nketenkete bi wo ho kakrakra no.
Eno.
Na omode ko see leading museum ho no. The omotro to ho so ka ho. I will show you the tree.
The tree no.
Wa me pe bia.
Wonya o baby ya.
Wonya baby ya no wa hwe o.
Aje ha.
Hwe wa ha ya.
DJ will we hear kind of say tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Baby.
Come and see head.
Yeah.
Oh, when you're the bonus, some one man phone.
No, person be kum Ghana ni bia.
No, kum Ghana phone.
O bone de ho ban.
Ti wo bone nkro phone ban.
Eti se wo hu Adam anyame born first ne da. O se Ghana hene bi. Ti Ghana phone ti me ye je di say Yesu. No se ofi achema krade. Yes, Mary Papa, oh no, Achima Krade, and Ofi.
Joseph.
And Joseph is Sophie Cromante. I wouldn't want
Joseph, yea. Oh, Brad Joseph.
What was that? Joseph is free. Cromante, no. Cromante, aha. This is the first Adam. Nana Otumfour Bonsoe, the second.
And baby, what about Asrania Satchri didn't boom say? Asrania Satchri near Wumnia Hamwa Ayasu. Asatra Domako Quay. One of my crab, why me and no Dican on a Quasachi and Poma. A Quasachi sword and a Quasi penintra. Adia tossing me and Oniano, my quadia Bresiama, Wotian in Sama Bojabum. Abuana Quadia says, Abu Abiswasan and one was an entire. Asatra Domako Kokuna for Papa was with Yatrabase. Quasachi and Poma, and your quadia Bresiama, Wotian in Sama Bojabum. I put you quite a document. The document in the Frafutu Quamai. Jewan sana na mufilibuna bumu. Muni bibi ya woman tia mi eni ayi kama kosem.
Yama etraining national. Sa wo hwe history a daachefo na nkasa troye about ohini we a. Om se wo hwe nanim ba kono sa hwe ne bi ma he looks like 100 people. Yes. Eti look at him carefully. Wo hwe wo TV ne so won sabonkum. This side, I saw Oyasa Kwame Nkrumah. Okay, now Shefi Babia Eba Nitino baby as a green one or Eba Naniaseno. Washaha as a J. Kufuor. Shaha as a J. Kufuor. Now look at him again. Shenanim straight. Pa efi ne hwini ntem ho. Ne soro ha say eba nanim yenu no. Ose Dr. Hilal Iman pa. Very ye. Now, kwafana na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo papa picture. Na afa hwefi baby na no ne wo no eba fom. Asa na do papa. Go and get the picture. Now, Katawani says, yes, over TV Niswa. Just me, I am reading from Costumas description he gave this man. Would you, Katawani, if you want to look at the picture again, close your eyes. Make 10. Nebi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Biawani, he looks like an ordinary. So Katawani now counted 10. Now Biawani, this man looks like an ordinary. Now, Kataweni left, no? Fansa Kataweni left. Now, man, for San Kataweni right, no? Me kind tena be. I'll show you a tribe and so or seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. BA. Na kwafa Zulu for king na wawari 23 no. Na her picture way, na her Zulu king no. He looks exactly like him. Now, Fawachi, Danwachi, man, share picture no. Fawachi, share picture no. Nakwafa Abraham Lincoln, the first president of America, picture no to one chain. Na Fawachi face you TV no. We are when you turn and you take a quick look at this image, he looks exactly like Abraham Lincoln. Enti enyami one say one more say. Woshana, you can see 100 people over one face. Now, customers say this man looks exactly like the first Adam. Eti description bena. Yedema eye Adam. What kind of Bible now you would come to appreciate? Say, 1, Adam was not born of a woman. Adam was not born of a woman. History in the 16, 15, 900 AD, and after the death of Christ, you know. The Bonsoe family, nobody knew where they came from. They only saw them coming from the sea. So they were not born of a woman, according to history. When we understand, a man Martin Tingramu Dumienu, a Martin Tingramu Dumienu, every pum ever. Today, who you in answer, Santine. One Ababidru. Now, Bamadiana Fay Koshe Adiebi Mame. Na menchira wo say Papa no say Adam ampa.
If
I mean, there are a lot of things we can say about this great king. I ever find it as I say, Anna Sapape in a grand style. Maybe a by person or yeah, in a grand style, but from 2009, basically, the
grand style, Bayana, Plania, Unyan. Oh. Research is what they say. Nana Bonsoe the second. Ayana Sanibufua na opejanitia ne console bakon. So look at when he's angry and look at the neck. Okay. Now, Yemfa right up now a war leading museum hono. Na ka ho e kan image ne ho na wanna say fine. What the title was say bam. Ube hunu e wa ase fe na fe wa hunu fine pa ti o kan ya be hu de won kasa tro wa se ho Eli Mecca ena nensa hya in the 18th hono asema mo trofa ye hene kasie niti eho na wo hwa e wase said this is the head of Badu Bonsoe II, a Ghanaian king who has been lynched then
decapitated by the Dutch. His head was returned by the Netherlands in 2009. This is an example of what happened to every African king who refused to participate in slavery and who has resisted to European invasion. So every time you hear a white man saying that Africans were selling themselves, you must know that that was not correct. You have the permission to call him a devil. Only a devil would try to justify such things in order to rationalize the heinous crimes of his people and the heinous crimes of the Europeans against the black. History we wunya wa baby ante.
Lalai.
Unkunya wa baby aje ahaya. Aha, ade na mekan ye no. Ena eda ho no na watimi ato bo ase fine. Na another one nso ewo ho. Uko Ghana museums a Woman's Bibi in 1837, Ghanaian King Badu Bonsoe II rebelled against the Dutch government in Ghana and killed several officers. Ghana for year tried to say several officers. Dutch for Nankasa Sokano, you see 2. Dutch abai so kum 2.
Okum 2.
Yeah, so Ghana for year say papa no kum several.
What
followed was the king was captured, sentenced for murder, and hanged. His body was desecrated as a Dutch surgeon removed his head. The head was taken to the Netherlands, where it was soon lost for more than a century. For more than 150 years, King Bonsoe's head was lost until an author found it stored in a jar of a formaldehyde in a Dutch museum. As a jar be tuabi, and he did no. He did ashim. The sa author no, and ni book no be no costume mass or archaeologist. The man is now 108 years. Customers is now 108 years. Our Bronubi where you can be from Manchester. That is where he lives now. Or you Jew? Ni. Aha. Eti the deep partner for the friend Ben Baruch. The deep partner the friend Ben Baruch. Ufi Jew memu ebetina injilesi memu no befa customers. Eye ni dia 112. No na exactly it's no twana na ni tini shebe no so ya wo copy no wa
o wa to anso
di tina nkasa she to wane mu no it's no match na wo to ano a ye de ohene ni ti no ehim na obehu sede na esi etie and so ewo ho eye image nti ebeye ketwa but the tire no tuana no eso fine pa nti say oh here tuan green na ebo modern can shape fine and na osi wo kwa na wakotua sika na wakohwe etire no question ne say wo ye den na wotimede etire no share sa to away. Though more chemistry ne physics kakra no. Yeah, the scientific terms no to us here and I'm obeti us here. Nipa no bebre ho a onim say you can wet glass. Water wet glass.
To be anything.
And so I say, insert me for glass. Oh, for phone, Google says here, how can water wet glass?
Auntie, a wet in a bayamre.
Say a wet penetration is easy, right?
Kana be ye be ba.
Na de be da.
Twelve. Hey, bibi tenten.
One fa tire no ho.
And tire so general tire ne koda atu anum no. Ani tire ba ko na da ho no. Ensusuni abam kakra sa han se na no na ho.
Say you do wash to na chemicals wo ho. First tire ne de na say you twa ne tin fresh and say na nim te.
Eno na yehu ne fresh.
Ana yehu ne kane no.
We so ma present.
But say we observe ni year. The same that what say what the pan no to nsuo mu a na ye de te e na se wo bie wani na wo de nsuo gu pam na wo de wani wo bie na wo de komu a bibia wo bia ye kese ma
no kre
enti said ye etie eno no ti we ye besra ban na ya ne temtem na fe ye di tire no
e general me bawo e tire na ba na hyetuanum na ba na se ende enhwehwe na
kwankra na ba
kwankra no ma ye fituanum de kwankra na ba
ti wa mo kɔ hɔ ekosra tire no ekope homage
Ghana so de ye ready yango pa de achi bi ete se foforo
ɛna wo mama ya te ase ese etire na ɛwɔ 37 hɔ no so mo kɔhwa ye gu nsa
asa no ma
wako anya sa wo koba wo bewu
na wo de bone me no why
okay any apeja wo say ye boa e wo 37 ye ngunsa
da bi
kwahwe bra
na sa wo ne mtie wo ne mtie ne ye
da bi say family life report krama
my life report
na wo ye amaye
me ene wo dikan
o da bi wo na be ma
so hwan ni
wo na so betimi akọ
agrofo busa se na agrofo na no mko hwetire no no mgu nsa na se wo mgu nsa
so your question
eno ntimi nya question ebe ye adwuma akonwa tuntum ntwa nsuo musum bi ani asase so otwa nsuo
otwa nsuo pe na ho de ansa
menti asem we na se
okay se wo ye busum wo Ghana na ukoduru America tumi na ade ye adwo ha no untimi mfa nya adwuma ho
anti aka
obekwa akoto omo
wo de opa ye se wo ye beifo wa mu tudu
yeah
na fa obeyiye kwata na America na kotu na ha
anti
no say wo different territory
nti obi e beifo wa ha ntumi
wo kwa America ya tu
akoto beifo so ono so tiri territory mu ho ya no watu
yeah
etino Nana Otumfour Badu Bonsoe the second the history no eno no mejiri say what's it in your
na you en chen krata ya you be krata ya ji hwa na ehu ni wa ha
papa bi anim kata pe
asem unim hu asem de da
we yaye
de bu ha wo de kire me na wo interest wo
yeah
ne bu ha ya wu
special prosecutor Freezy Sir John
abi kama me ye na
ajaro matipa dia na
eno so ye be kwa yi eno ano no